Hey friends, this is Steve. Let's talk about the tech future. In 2026, if you don't want to follow the advancement of technology, you'll be left behind.
Take a breath. Let me show you how to level up in AI in just 60 seconds.
Technology has always evolved, from mobile phones to social media to cloud computing. Every phase changed. And now, the biggest shift isn't another app. It's intelligence built into everything, known as AI.
Most people treat AI like Google. Write me an essay and wonder why it's trash. Here's the secret. AI is only as smart as you are.
Be specific. Give context.
Use AI like a tutor. Ask it to explain, break things down in step by step, teach in detail to you. Learn with it, not from it.
Use it to learn, not cheat. AI can write your essay, solve your homework, even code a website. But if you just copy-paste, you're cheating yourself. This generation is living through one of the biggest tech shifts ever. You can ride the wave or drown in it. So stay curious. Learn to prompt.
The better your prompt, the better your results get from AI. Prompting is now a skill. Start mastering it.
Protect your info and use AI to build and create, not just scroll. The future belongs to those who master AI.
In my next video, I will show you a trick I use to generate good prompts.
My time is up. Please like, share, and follow for more. See you next time.